This is important to the community because it's the main entrance to the Garland Bend area, and we'd like to present a nice looking welcome sign with the flowers and the shrubberies around to make everyone feel welcome to the community. Before, what this looked like was just a grassy area, a lot of overgrown trees and shrubs around. It was decided at a homeowners meeting that we would redo the wall. We weeded, thinned out plants, and add some more flowers for color. 13 people volunteered. It took a Saturday about 6 hours, and then Sunday morning we finished up the project in another 4 to 5 hours. This is when we were all finished with the whole project. We take pride in our community. That's why we care about the project. And it's a way to welcome visitors and guests to the area. They always see the sign when they enter. It's always welcoming.
To each and every one of you who has rolled up your sleeves to make this project possible, thank you so much. We are going to announce the winner at the Kentucky State Fair. The Lieutenant Governor and I will then come to the winning location and have a barbecue lunch in celebration with everybody that helped to make the winning selection possible. To every one of you who has done what you've done to beautify the Bluegrass across the entire Commonwealth, thank you. Together, we are Kentucky.